Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I came to this restaurant. I guess this is the trendy new viral food that you must eat. It's like a dried udon. Instead of wet udon, it's more dry, just like this. They have one in Arcadia, but this is the Irvine location. So look at the fucking line. Damn. But anyways, you can just sign in. There's a little check-in list. Then they'll just call your name, so you don't have to physically line up. You can hang out somewhere. But if you're not physically here, they will kick you off and go to the next name. It's just hard to park. Maybe because the market is there also. 99-cent ranch market. On this side, there's a Tesla supercharging station, so you can charge your vehicle while eating here. But I don't think you can eat within 30 minutes or 20 minutes. You might have to find the parking again. So after about an hour, we got in. This place has a bunch of locations in Japan, South Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, and United States now, Arcadia and Irvine location. This is the newest one. We ordered the matcha. It's very thick, very delicious. I give it 8.5. And this is deluxe Mazesoba. It was very thick and creamy. You're supposed to break that yolk and mix it about 20 seconds. And it gets really thick. All the ingredients taste delicious. That soup is extra, but very, very good. Every ingredient was really good, but after eating it, it got very thick and creamy. So I give it about 8.5, 9 out of 10. Try it. Thank you for viewing my video and see you on the next one.